What's up guys, today it's bike shopping. I'm just gonna go on and try to find some shop and just make some video, not video the bank, video. Squeezing this bitch. Oh, let's stop first by Honda Beat. You look like the Suzuki one, or the Suzuki look like Honda Beat. Okay, this is nice. This is a very nice commuter. If you don't care about going fast, buy this. No, seriously, let's talk not talking shit, okay? Actually, it's good. It's a good commuter. I mean, if you don't care about, you know, fast or anything like that, get a TMX 150, 125, 50k. Now this one is another thing. 138. Wow, so it is 134 before. So this is a PCX. We have this in London for like, for a long time. I actually almost buy one, like in 2012. It's a very, I don't know, I don't like the design. It's something that I don't know, I don't like it. Anyway, for 138,000, there's no rear brake disc, you know. It's a bit, maybe you should. I mean, for that price, you can get an NMAX for 120 NMAX, and you got dual disc brake and ABS front and rear, and it's Yamaha. I'm not saying Honda is shit, but Yamaha is probably the best. Whatever they're doing, you know, on the market is, let's be honest, Yamaha is probably the best. XR 150, this is a, like a, you know, this is a better bike. 88,000. I wouldn't buy this, but if you look for a bike to go for Metro Manila, this is the bike. With all the whole days in the city, on the road, all the flood, I'm serious, buy this. XR 150. Yeah, let's go inside. Video on YouTube, and I'm talking about bikes. I'm looking to buy a bike. No. RS 150, same price, Raider. It's nice. On the beat. This one 250. 250 is nice, but it's 229. It's very pricey, but it's nice. I like the 150. CRF 150 is quite nice. So they don't have the CB150R, which is the CBR but naked version. They don't have it here. It's no outside neither. That's what I was looking for actually. The CB150R. That was the one that I will buy if I buy a Honda. Honda is nice, you know. I had the CBR 150 for like 3 years. I never really have any major problem. I have a gear problem when it comes to 16,000 kilometers, but other than this, you know, it's fine, you know. It's great bike, great brand. Should we go to Wheeltek or Kawasaki next? Where should we go? Should we do both? So we're here in Wheeltek. This is TVS 45,000. I guess this is the TMX competitor. TVX, I don't know the brand. Pretty new to me. They have a few Dominar. Free Dominar. Russell 160 and 160. Not this one. I quite like the Russell. I quite like the 200. It's a new one, air cool, oil cool. This is nice, but the headlight look like, honestly, what were you thinking about the headlight? Doesn't look nice to me, but it's a nice bike, naked bike. I never ride it though. Honda Click 150. The best commuter for Manila actually is probably this if you want to save gas. It's very good for gas. I think it's like 52 kilometers per liter, something like that. One of my friends has one. It's quite nice. FI. Aerox, that look probably the best scooter ever. Like honestly, the most sexy one. Get it in black. They do black and white on it. They look very, very nice. The only thing, there's no ABS, but it is very nice. I really like Aerox actually. When I was young, I used to have this Aerox 50cc. I'm gonna go next to actually Suzuki because this is a backbone. I quite like the Barocco 175, but there's no disc brake at all. It's a bit, you know, it's put off. Let's go next though, man. So Sinbad bike, Vulcan S. They don't have any small bike here. ZX10 1000. This one is, I wonder how many they sell of those. That's the bike of that beach. I'm joking. Ninja 400, but yeah, no express really good. Ninja 650. I really like this one, not in this color. This color doesn't look nice, but in red is nice. Z900. I like the finishing on this, it's very nice. So this W800 classic style. It's like the MotoStar, basically MotoStar copy on them probably. But it's like the MotoStar 800cc. It's much better quality. Probably more expensive, but totally different world, I guess. It's nice. Now the 250 there. This one is nice. This color is nice. I can ride a Republic. Check this one. Do you ever feel weird because you're the only idiot in the showroom talking to yourself? Yes, I feel this right now. It's 650, I think. Look quite small. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. So Kawasaki Wheeltek big bike. No, it's nice. I like Kawasaki. I was looking for the RS, actually RS 200 or the NS 200, but they don't have It's a difficult choice. It's good in the Philippines, you have a lot of choice. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Not Honda for sure. Kawasaki maybe. I need to check Yamaha. I need to go to Y-Zone actually. I think it's closed today.